This entry door has no side hinges. The whole leaf turns on a floor spindle, and that spindle decides whether your building's doors still swing true in year 5. I'm Spring from FBM Sourcing, a building material sourcing agent for commercial projects. We source entry doors, windows, and full interior packages for apartment towers, hotels, and office buildings. Today, I'll walk you through an entry door factory we work with, the pivot hardware, the locks, and the seals, so you can see what actually matters when you order doors by the 100. Start at the bottom, because that is where pivot doors succeed or fail. The whole weight of the leaf, often over 100 kilograms, rides on this floor spindle, and the closing speed is controlled by the hydraulic cartridge inside it. Watch the technician set the floor plate with spacer blocks and check the swing again and again. A few millimeters off here, and the door drags, slams, or drifts open. On a project order, we make the factory demonstrate this adjustment on every door model you buy. For multi-unit projects, the lock is a bigger decision than the leaf itself, because it is the part every tenant touches every day. This factory fits both camera locks with a screen and simpler keypad models. The camera model records who is at the door. The keypad model keeps unit costs down on large apartment orders. Either way, what we check as your sourcing agent is the same. The mortise fits without gaps, the strike lines up, the latch throws smoothly 1,000 times, and spare mechanical keys are managed properly at handover. On a hotel or apartment project, lock failures are the #1 after-sales complaint. So this is where we spend our inspection time. Down the door edge runs the multi-point lock. One turn of the handle drives bolts at several heights into the frame at once. That is what makes a big pivot leaf feel solid and secure, and along every edge, this rubber gasket. It seals out drafts, dust, and noise, and it is the first thing to fail on a cheap door. We pull sample doors and check both on every pre-shipment inspection. 3 things to put in writing before you order entry doors for a project. 1. The floor spindle brand and its load rating match to your actual leaf weight. 2. The lock model tested on the actual door, not just on a data sheet. 3. Gasket material and hardware cycle test numbers in the contract. Fitting out an apartment, hotel, or office project? Send us your door schedule and BOQ. The link is below.